Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to dive into the new topic, that is obtain NFA for language L equals to W of AB plus BA, where W belongs to A, B star. Okay, so here the thing is we have to obtain NFA for the language that is given in this format. Okay, so what is W here? W belongs to A, B star, which means we have the language L equals to W of AB plus BA, right? So AB plus BA means here there is plus, so we can take it as OR, right? So L equals to W of AB or L equals to W of BA, which means ending we should have AB or ending we should have BA. But the thing is, at the starting we can have W. W means a binary string of A comma B, which means we can have any terms, which means we can have A, B. Combination of A, B. W means any combination of A, B or binary strings of A, B. Okay, so L equals to, we can have any number of characters, but at the end we should have AB or at the end we should have BA. That is compulsory. So here what is the alphabet? Alphabet is same like DFA, A, B, right? So what are all the languages? Languages, it can end with AB only, right? W of AB plus BA, we can have AB or we can have BA, or which means the string will get accepted if we have AB at the end, or the string will get accepted if there is BA at the end. Okay, so AB, BA. Then in the starting, in the place of W, I can write AAB or BAB or ABAA, BBA, ABA, like that. Okay, ending we should have BA or AB as the ending. That's it, that's the thing. So now what we have to write? We have to write the transition diagram, right? So let us write the transition diagram. Okay, before writing the transition diagram, what we have to mainly care about here, we have to care about the last two characters, that's it, right? Whether it is AB or BA. So let's take, the machine will go on many circles and at the end it has AB or BA, then the string will get accepted, right? In other case it will do any number of circle, but in the ending we don't have AB or BA, then it will get rejected, that's it. So here I can have anything, but the end I should have AB or BA. Okay, so now how to take states? So the thing is, here Q0 is a common state, which is a entry point, right? So entry point for all the symbols. Now if I have AB, look here, if I have ending with A, B, Q1, let us take this as QF1, okay. So if I have ending A, B, then it will be there in this state. Now I have another case, that is ending with BA, right? So if I have string that ends with BA, then it will go to the another one final state, that is QF2. Here in other case you can do like this also, you can take common final state and you can take the common arrows. Okay, now for simplification I am taking two final states, and for AB, ending with AB, this one will be the accepting state. For ending with BA, this one will be the accepting state. Now this Q0 will have AB, which means at starting I can have any character, which means I can revolve in any character, but the end I should have AB and BA. So many of you will get the question now. Let's take an example of, I have AB, AB, AB. Now how the machine will work? Because in one case it can work like A, B, A, B, A, B, right? So what will machine do is, it will just take an action, like it will just take a guess, which means what it will do is, for A it will revolve here, for B it will revolve here, and then done. For A it can move here, for B it will move here, and then it get to know that there is still two more AB. So this one is not getting accepted, because ending I have two more AB, but here there is no state, right? Which means here the trap is dead trap. So what it will do is, what is the main characteristics of NFA? It will check all the possible ways in a parallel direction, right? So one machine will check in this direction, other machine will check like this, A, and then if I get B, if I get A, it will revolve here only. So in other way it will be checking like this, okay, A, B, A, B, A, B. So this is not the final state, so it will get rejected. So other case, what it will do is, it will be random. All machine will do, let's take 100 possible direction, okay. So the one way is, it will, what it will do is A, B, A, B. So then it will thought of like, okay, now let's check by moving it to next state. So what it will do, one second, what it will do is, only check this one, it will be there in this state on A, okay. Again it will be there in Q0 only on B, again it will there on Q0 on A, again it will be there on Q0 on B. Now it take a random guess that now I will move to next state. So I have A, so I will be moving to Q1, and I have B, so I will be moving to QF1. So this string will get accepted in this guess, which means it can take 100 number of guesses. So be clear with this, it can take 100 or infinity number of guesses, but if any one of the guess takes us to the final destination, then the whole string will get accepted, okay. That's it. So you might think that, oh, this might take lots of time for it to guess. No, it will do all these guess in a single time, okay. This is how NFA works. So this AB is to, for all the characters to revolve around, or for to get all the prefix, which means this one prefix, but ending we should have AB or BA. That's it, okay. So this is how we solve this example, okay. Now if I have ABA, then what it will do is, it will take 100 of guesses, right? In one case it will do A, B, A. In other case what it will do is A, B, A, final destination. So it's correct like that, okay. So it will check in all the possible ways. So this is how we write the transition diagram. Now let us write the transition table, okay. Okay, now to write the transition table, the simple thing is, you have to check what it will do, what the state will do on consuming an input symbol, okay. So Q0 on A, one case Q0 on A, it will be staying in Q0 only, right? Q0 on A, it will be staying in Q0, and Q0, is there any another case? Sorry, I erased it by mistake. And Q0 on A, there is another case, that is it will be moving to Q1, right? So Q0 on A, it is moving to two states. Now Q0 on B, here also two case, it will be there in Q0, and the other case it will be moving to Q2. So Q0 on B, it will be staying in Q0, that is one case, and Q0 on B, it is moving to Q2. And then we have Q1, Q1 on A. Q1 on A, is there any transition? No transition, so we have to represent it with empty set, right? and Q1 on B. Q1 on B is there is a transition, that is it is moving to QF1 state, and then Q2 on A. Q2 on A, is there any transition? Yes, there is a transition. So it is moving to QF2 state, only one transition, and Q2 on B, no transition. So I am representing it with empty set. And then QF1 on A, no transition. Here there is no transition, right? So I am representing it with empty set, and QF1 on B, no transition, again empty set, and QF2, this is QF1, this is QF2, both are final states, right? So QF2 on A, no transition, so empty set, and QF2 on B also no transition, so again empty set. So how to represent final state in transition table? We have to represent it with star. So this is how we write the transition diagram and transition table. Now the work for you is to take this transition diagram and table, convert it to DFA, and comment the answer in the comment section whether you got the answer or not. Okay, so by this we are ending the problem of converting or obtaining NFA for this language. I hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel, and share it with your friends who are learning finite automata theory. Thank you.